Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." This is the life that Ambassador Nkosinathi Mthethwa lived, committed his life into the development of our beautiful nation. Ambassador Nkosinathi Nkosinathi Mthethwa was a patriot, freedom fighter, and a servant of the people. The son of Mrs. Nurse and Mr. Mthethwa, both deceased, Nati was the fifth among 4 brothers and 3 sisters. He grew up in the Durban suburb of Klawater and in KwaMthethwa on the outskirts of KwaMbonambi. Mthethwa became active in the students' residence movement as a teenager, joining the Klawater Youth Organization in 1982 and serving as its chairperson from 1987 to 1989. In 1986, while in the employ of Just Juice in Pinetown, he became a shop steward of the Food and Allied Workers Union. At the time, he worked side by side with women whose hands and bodies had been severely scarred by chemical exposure from cleaning industrial containers. Mthethwa brought these women workers into FAWU's fold, standing with them against exploitation, unsafe working conditions, and employer arrogance. From there, he understood his calling into leadership and being a servant, and he never looked back until he took his last breath. After 1994, he rose through the ranks of the African National Congress, serving in Parliament from 2002 to 2023, including as Chief Whip and later as Minister of Police, Minister of Arts and Culture, and Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture. He championed cultural development, supported indigenous languages, stabilized key sporting codes, and positioned arts and sports as instruments of national pride. In 2024, he was appointed South Africa's ambassador to France, strengthening diplomatic ties and supporting Team South Africa during the Paris 2024 Olympic and Paralympic Games. Ambassador Nkosinathi Mthethwa is survived by his wife, Mthethwa, his children, Mkhululi, Mkolisi, Nombuso, Senzekile, Ayanda, and Zanathi, and his siblings, Dumisile Mthethwa Shezi, Tumfuthi Mthethwa Hlabisa, and Sebenzile Mthethwa Mpanza. May the Mthethwa and Buthelezi families be comforted by the knowledge that Nkosinathi Mthethwa was a gift of the purest gold. We pray that God's celestial healing may ease your sorrow, that time may dry your tears, and that Nkosinathi Mthethwa's spirit may shine brightly as he enters the kingdom of heaven. Ambassador Mthethwa is remembered as a humble, principled leader whose legacy resonates across generations. Lala ngoxolo, Nyambosi.